What is up guys, my name is Tala and you're watching Gadget Sphere. Today I'm going to show you some great tips and tricks and hidden features of the Samsung Galaxy M21. So let's get started. So the number one feature I want to tell you is go in settings, device care, and then you need to press on optimize now. So this is a very nice feature. A lot of you guys don't know, that's why I'm telling you it is a very useful feature, so you should definitely use it. Now let me show you one more feature. Go in battery, and in battery you need to go in app power management and sleeping apps. So from here you can actually put all the apps that you don't want to run in the background, so they will actually not consume your battery and your battery backup will improve a lot. So I hope you will definitely use this feature. Now let me show you one more feature, that is you need to again go in settings. Then first of all just go all the way back to settings, not where I am. So let me just go back to settings. Come on, there you go. In settings you need to swipe all the way down and then you will find an option called advanced features, and here you can go in screenshots and enable the screenshot toolbar. So what it actually does is when you take a screenshot, you can also change the format of JPEG to PNG, but do it to JPEG because that's what I like. Now when you take a screenshot, the toolbar will appear. So let me show you how. So as I've taken a screenshot, you can see this is the toolbar, this is how it appears. So it is very helpful to edit. Now you need to go in advanced feature and press on reduce animations. So reduce animations will remove all your animations and it will make your smartphone a lot faster than it is before. So if you want to use this feature, it is very useful for me. I don't know, do you like this or not? Tell me in the comments and make sure you drop a like in this video. Now you have to go in motion and gestures and do all the things to on except smart stay. So this is left to wake, so it doesn't work all the time, but when it works it also recognizes your face, so it is a very useful feature. Then you need to go in a smart stay, and in smart stay the camera will actually look at you and it will actually tell you that you are looking at the screen or not. When you are not, it will close. Then the dual messenger is a very useful feature. This will help you to duplicate WhatsApp and install a second copy of that. So one WhatsApp will be your personal messages, one will be of your business type of WhatsApp. So you can do this very easily, and you can also use separate contact list also. So this is a very useful feature guys, I love it. Now let me show you some more features of this smartphone, that is panic mode. So when I had told you in the previous video of the M21 hidden tips, that is double tap on the side button and it will open the camera. But now I'm going to tell you one more feature, that is triple tap on the side button and it will do the emergency call. So this is also a very good feature. I hope you like it, and if you do, tell me in the comments what do you think of this total video. And now I'm going to give you one last and bonus tip. This is very useful. Go in app drawer. So you need to just swipe up and go in app drawer, hold it, the notes, and tap on write with pen. Now you can actually draw anything you like in this smartphone. This is also very useful. This is pretty much it for today's video. Hope you like it. If you do, please drop a like and follow me on Insta. This is it. Hope you like it. Peace.